I suggest all the boys and girls kindly go through previous 2 lectures before having a look into this lecture. In the previous lectures, I have explained how to solve non-homogeneous linear differential equations with certain rules. I have also explained the rule number one to find out the particular integral with inverse operator. Today I start with rule number 2, where I will discuss how to evaluate 1 over f d square cos ax 1 over f d square sin ax. These are the rules to obtain the particular integral. So whenever you see there is 1 over f d square cos ax, you just replace d square with minus a square. Don't do anything with the cos ax. Same thing is applied to sin ax also. That is 1 over f d square sin ax is equal to 1 over f minus a square sin ax, provided f of minus a square is never 0. To illustrate this fact, I try to solve the question dq plus 1y is equal to sin 2x minus 1. So when I ask you to solve such kind of question, you have to find 2 types of solution, one CF, another one PI. And to find CF, you have to obtain the roots of auxiliary equation. How you write the auxiliary equation? The first part, that is dq plus 1 is equal to 0, gives me the auxiliary equation. That is mq plus 1 equal to 0. You just write d as m. Now aq plus bq is a plus b, a square minus ab plus b is equal to 0, plus b square is equal to 0. From here you will get 3 values of m. One is m as minus 1, another 2 are 1 plus minus square root 3 iota over 2. And you replace these m's with m1, m2 and m3. I have obtained 3 roots from the auxiliary equation mq plus 1 equal to 0. From these 3 roots, I will write complementary function c1 e raised to minus m1x. m1 is minus 1 and e raised to x by 2. X by 2 is coming from this 1 by 2 into c2 cos square root 3 by 2x plus c3 sin square root 3 by 2x. So this is the complementary function. That is the half of the question is solved till now. Now when you evaluate a pi, that is particular integral, by putting 1 over dq plus 1 over here with sin 2x minus 1. So this evaluation is similar to that of rule number 2. Look at the rule number 2 once again. This is the rule number 2. Here 1 over d square cos ax. In this question, sin is there and ax is replaced with 2x minus 1 and it is dq plus 1. But look at this rule. Here I have written f of d square. This dq can be splitted into 2 parts, that is d square into d, which I am going to do in the next slide. Here what I have done, I have written down the formula for sin a minus b. sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Now simplifying this further, now look at this step. D cube is split into two parts, that is D into D square, because I have to make this as a function of D square. Similarly, this D cube is split up into two parts, that is D into T square plus 1. Reason is only that you have to replace this D square by minus A square, and A is nothing but 2. And when you replace this D square with minus 2 square on the two sides, that is here also, you will get the equation like this one, cos 1. Why I am putting this cos 1 and sin 1 outside? Because these are constant terms. On solving these two equations, two parts, by just multiplying with 1 plus 4d in the numerator and the denominator, and then again replacing by d square by minus a square, again simplifying algebraically, what I will get, cos 1 over 65 into sin 2x plus 8 cos 2x. Look at this portion also. How I am writing this sin 2x plus 8 cos 2x. First I have multiplied 1 with sin 2x, and this is the sin 2x. Again 4d into sin 2x. What do you mean by 4d sin 2x? It means the derivative of sin 2x into 4. And the derivative of sin 2x is cos 2x into 2. And 2 on multiplying with 4 will get 8 cos 2x. Similarly in this expression. So this is the whole expression for the particular integral. Now I have two portions of the solution. One is CF. CF is somewhere here and PI is somewhere here. When you add these two parts, you will get the complete solution. And this is the complete solution of the given differential equation. For your practice, I have given one more question to you. Kindly go through this question and solve it judicially. Thank you.